Elon Musk offers Toyota AI technology. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has offered Toyota access to his company's artificial intelligence (AI) technology. Musk made the offer in a tweet, saying that Tesla is open to working with Toyota on AI. Toyota has been slow to embrace AI technology, but the company has recently made some investments in the area. In 2018, Toyota acquired Lyft's self-driving car unit, and in 2020, the company announced a partnership with Uber to develop self-driving car technology. Musk's offer to Toyota could be a sign that Tesla is looking to expand its reach into the automotive industry. Tesla is currently the only major automaker that has a fully self-driving car on the road, and the company has a significant lead in the development of self-driving car technology. Toyota is a major automaker with a large global presence. If Toyota were to adopt Tesla's AI technology, it could give the company a significant advantage in the race to develop self-driving cars. It is still too early to say whether Toyota will accept Musk's offer. However, the offer is a sign that Tesla is serious about expanding its reach into the automotive industry. Here are some of the benefits that Toyota could gain from using Tesla's AI technology. 1. Improved self-driving car technology. Tesla is the leader in self-driving car technology. By using Tesla's AI technology, Toyota could improve its own self-driving car technology and get to market faster. 2. Reduced development costs. Tesla has already developed a lot of the AI technology that Toyota would need to develop its own self-driving car technology. 3. By using Tesla's AI technology, Toyota could reduce its development costs. 4. Improved safety. Tesla's AI technology has been shown to be very safe. By using Tesla's AI technology, Toyota could improve the safety of its self-driving cars. Here are some of the challenges that Toyota could face in using Tesla's AI technology. 1. Integration. Tesla's AI technology is not integrated with Toyota's existing car systems. Toyota would need to integrate Tesla's AI technology into its cars, which could be a challenge. 2. Licensing. Tesla may charge Toyota for the use of its AI technology. This could be a significant cost for Toyota. 3. Patents. Tesla has a lot of patents on its AI technology. Toyota could face legal challenges if it uses Tesla's AI technology without permission. Overall, the benefits of using Tesla's AI technology outweigh the challenges. If Toyota were to accept Musk's offer, it could give the company a significant advantage in the race to develop self-driving cars.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.